Wurstfest is a 10-day festival celebrating German culture and food. From humble beginnings, Wurstfest grew over 60 years into what is now the largest yearly event in New Braunfels, Texas. Drawing thousands of visitors a day to a unique and expansive Wurstfest festival grounds along the Comal River, Wurstfest has prospered. In November 2019, within hours of the festival's closing, the two largest and most iconic structures on the festival grounds caught fire. The destruction and smoke damage were devastating. Within days, the Wurstfest Association organized to rebuild the festival grounds. Led by the Byrne Marmon Mok design-build team, the festival grounds were reimagined and completed within time for Wurstfest's 60th anniversary.